What's up, guys? Charles here. If you have or plan to build an overpowered battle station equipped with one of the best gaming GPUs, then you definitely need a high-end gaming monitor to complement it. However, these displays tend to be on the pricey side, meaning getting one of these can eat into your budget for your PC. While most people wait for major sales events like the upcoming Black Friday 2025 sale, you don't have to if you're getting the Gigabyte AORUS FO32U2. This 32-inch 240Hz 4K gaming monitor is on sale at $749.99 on Amazon, meaning you're getting a 31% discount from its $1,099.99 list price. That means you're saving $350, which you can use to take advantage of Black Friday RAM deals and other upgrades to your gaming computer. Gigabyte used QD-OLED technology on this screen, meaning you're going to sacrifice some brightness with this display. This shouldn't be an issue, though, if you're installing it in a light-controlled environment. Plus, it also means that you're getting infinite contrast, perfect for taking in the scenery in every game that you play. Speaking of gaming, you're going to love its 4-millisecond full black-to-white response time, making it one of the best monitors we've ever tested. Besides, everything on the screen stays sharp, even in fast sequences. The $350 discount on the AORUS FO32U2, just a week before Black Friday 2025, is a surprising treat from Gigabyte. With this, you can get a premium display that you can use for years to come at a much lower price. It's also great that it's available on both Amazon and Newegg, allowing you to save some cash no matter which platform you decide to buy it from.